Hello students. Today in Grow with Grammar, we are going to learn about pronouns. In this video, we will learn about what are pronouns, subject pronouns, object pronouns, possessive pronouns, reflexive pronouns, and demonstrative pronouns. Now let's understand pronouns. Pronouns are words that takes the place of nouns in a sentence. They help us avoid repetition and make our language more concise and clearer. Examples of pronouns include he, she, it, they, we, and you. In this presentation, we will be exploring the different types of pronouns and how they are used in sentences. We will also be learning some tips on how to identify and use pronouns correctly. What are subject pronouns? Subject pronouns are used as the subject of a sentence. They are typically found at the beginning of a sentence and perform the action of the verb. Examples of subject pronouns include I, you, he, she, it, we, and they. For example, in the sentence, she is going to the store. She is a subject pronoun because it is performing the action of going to the store. Object pronouns. Object pronouns are used as the object of a sentence. They are typically found after the verb and receive the action of the verb. Examples of object pronouns include me, you, him, her, it, us, and them. For example, in the sentence, he gave her the book. Her is the object pronoun because it is receiving the action of the verb gave. Possessive pronouns. Possessive pronouns are used to show ownership or possession. They replace a noun and indicate who owns or has something. Examples of possessive pronouns include mine, yours, his, hers, its, ours, and theirs. For example, in the sentence, the red bike is hers. Hers is the possessive pronoun because it indicates that the red bike belongs to her. Reflexive pronouns. Reflexive pronouns are used when the subject and object of a sentence are the same. They end in self or selves and emphasize the subject's involvement in the action. Examples of reflexive pronouns include myself, yourself, himself, herself, itself, ourselves, and themselves. For example, in the sentence, I hurt myself while playing basketball. Myself is a reflexive pronoun because the subject I and object myself are the same. Demonstrative pronouns. Demonstrative pronouns are used to point out specific people, places, or things. They indicate whether the noun is singular or plural and how far away it is from the speaker. Examples of demonstrative pronouns include this, that, these, and those. For example, in the sentence, this is my favorite book. This is the demonstrative pronoun because it is pointing out a specific book that is close to the speaker. I hope this video will help you to understand pronouns and the different kinds of pronouns. Thank you for watching the video. If you really liked my video, Please do not forget to comment.